Hey guys, it is day one of Stitchmas. So this is what I'm going to call season two because last year we were together for the 12 days of Stitchmas. Hobby Lobby last year put out this really cool box. Let me show you what it looked like. And I really enjoyed this. Now, I was able to find it on sale and still be able to share the whole thing with you guys last year. This year, I searched and searched, and Hobby Lobby didn't put out anything like that I could find. So, by the time I realized Hobby Lobby wasn't putting one out again, it was too late for me to buy a crocheted advent calendar. So I asked my husband if this year he would mind putting together one. 12 days, one present per day, and they're all supposed to be some kind of crochet related. So I gave him a few hints, but he did all of it on his own. All the shopping, all the putting it together, and we'll just have to see how he did. So my husband's a really good listener when it comes to my crocheting. He actually helps me out a lot with like winding my yarn, helping me like pick out the right colors. So he's super helpful, so I imagine it's going to be pretty awesome. So today I thought I'm just going to share with you some of the things that I plan on doing over Stitchmas. So one of the things I'm going to be talking about is if you ever see those like crochet kits and they have all the characters. So I've got these two books that came out of a kit I'll be sharing with you later. And I have a couple more kits that if anybody's interested in seeing, maybe I could do these two. I've got the Nutcracker, and then I also have Frosty the Snowman one. So I thought I could share these with you if you're interested. Maybe leave me a comment letting me know if you'd like to see those or if it's something that just doesn't interest you. Either way, I want to hear from you. Also, I put together my own, and I'm not calling this a pattern, I'm calling it a recipe. So if you've ever bought this ice cream or saw this ice cream that was going viral for a while, the Little Debbie's Christmas tree ice cream, I made my own koozie for it. So if you're interested in that, that's a video that's going to be coming. Like I said, it's not going to be a pattern though. Let me make sure I say this correctly. It's not going to be a pattern. It's going to be a recipe because you may not use the same kind of yarn. You may not like the way I did it. You might choose to do these stripes in a totally different way than I did. Because there's a few different ways you could do it. So that just gives you a little bit of an idea of what we have coming this year. So I'll be showing you a couple of things out of the Hobby Lobby box from last year that I finished. I also would like to share my tree with you this year. And some of my favorite like patterns from some of my favorite designers. So there's a lot in store. Let me pull out this one here. So I'm not going to show you like the full reveal because I want you to stay tuned. But this is the back side of the tree skirt I made. That will be going around my tree this year. And I love this pattern. I worked for quite a while on it. And it just was chef kisses perfect. So those are the couple of things that I'm going to be sharing with you this year. And things you can have to look forward to. Hey guys, it's Bree here from Mission Wild Crochet, and it is Stitchmas. This is what I'm going to call season 2, and this will be day 1 of Stitchmas. Last year I did 12 days of Stitchmas. I did the 12 days leading up to Christmas. This year I'm doing the same thing. Today will be December 13th video, and after that, each day I will post one video with something. It'll be crochet related, something Christmas related. It might be, I've got various things planned. It might be something that's, it might be anything from outfit of the day to Christmas decorations, some kind of Christmas prep. It might be some of my favorite patterns from different designers. It might be my first ever, what I'm calling a crochet recipe, not a pattern, a recipe, because I want it to be really accessible if you're interested in making it. I'm also going to possibly share with you some crochet kits I've bought in the past or I've been gifted and tell you my reviews on that. So there's going to be 12 videos for the 12 days leading up to Christmas and with various things. So I'll give you a couple little sneak peeks. So we have the thing I'm super duper excited about. This is my recipe for this ice cream koozie. If you saw the viral moment that Little Debbie's ice cream was having a while back, this is, I think, the perfect little koozie to eat your ice cream out of. So I'm going to show you how I made mine, give you some ideas on how you can make your own. That's coming. I also want to show you my Hobby Lobby Stitchmas project I finished from last year. I want to share with you some of my favorite Christmas patterns. Here's a little preview of this one. This is the Christmas tree skirt. I'm just going to show you the back side, and you guys are very smart people. You can probably guess what's on the other side, but I'm going to show you this when we put our tree up and do our reveal on that. I also want to share with you various other crochet things. I don't know, maybe I don't want to give too much away. But one thing that's going to be consistent, every day I'm going to be opening something from this box. Now, you might recognize this box from last year because Hobby Lobby put this box out. They called it their 12 Days of Stitchmas. And it was of various things. I got some like Christmas cards. I got a little set of jewelry. I got a wooden cup you can put pens in that I use on my desk. I had projects, which is that's where this came from. There were some Christmas tree decorations. There was an ornament. I mean, a ton of stuff. I mean, I can't possibly sit here and tell you all of it without taking up a zillion years of your time, it would feel like. So if you're actually interested in that, I have a playlist here in my YouTube channel, and you can watch all 12 days and what I opened each day. I also, in those videos, I built like what I was calling the ultimate crochet bag. So all of those, you can see all of those in that playlist from last year. So easy peasy to find. Actually, I'll put a link in the description down below so that this way, if you're interested in seeing last year's, you can do that. So Hobby Lobby, after getting their box last year, I was super excited and wanted to get the box again. So I will say though, it was Stitchmas though, so it wasn't just crochet, but so it was a variety of some crochet, some Tunisian crochet, some knit. It was a decent variety of stuff. I think it leaned more heavy on the crochet side, which was fine by me because I'm only a crocheter. I'm not by crafty. That was fine by me. This year I was thinking, okay, so if Hobby Lobby, I was expecting they were going to put out another box. I was hoping at least. And I was holding out for a very long time, hoping I would find it. But I never found it. So I'm assuming they must not have put one out, which is okay. But by the time I realized that they weren't putting one out, it was too late to get the other crochet advent calendars I would have been interested in. So I asked my husband if he wouldn't mind putting together one. My husband is super supportive in all my crocheting. He actually likes to wind my yarn for me. He's very helpful about picking out like colors for different projects and coming up with ideas. He's very creative too. So I asked him if he wouldn't mind putting together a box because I know that he has a pretty good idea of like my crocheter needs. So I'm actually recycling this box, and I haven't opened it yet. I'm pretty excited about this. I have no idea what all he's bought. I gave him a few ideas, but all him. He said that they're numbered, and every day I'm planning on opening up the box, and working through the days. So we're actually in the box. We're going to be counting down the 12 days of Christmas. So today is, even though it's day 1 of Stitchmas, we're starting off with bag package envelope, whatever's in here, number 12. So I'm thinking I'm going to open it. I think I'll open this on my table so we can kind of see it together. All right, let's go. All right, first off, excuse the messiness of my table, please, because I just have a lot going right now. All right, for the big reveal, Okay, so this looks similar to, this is actually the same packaging that this box came with last year. And I gave it to my husband. I'm like, this could make it a lot easier on you possibly. So today we're supposed to be doing day 12. So I'm going to try not to pinch them too much because I'm very excited, but I want to keep it a surprise. So we're supposed to be starting day 12. So, all right, I'm going to, it's some kind of box. All right, let's get into it. So, a rechargeable hug light. I'm not sure what that is. Okay, I guess we're gonna have to open this. 4 LEDs, it's rechargeable. Oh, I know exactly what this is. I've been wanting one of these. It's a light you can hang around your neck, like while you're crocheting or reading. Oh man. All right, well, I want to be able to try this out. So let's actually go back to my comfy chair and look more at this. Oh, this is exciting. Okay. So we're back. I'm so excited about this. I can't, it's like nice and soft and flexible. Like, I was I've been wanting one, but I was really hesitant because I was like, I don't know if it's going to be long enough. I don't know if I'm really going to like it. Like, will it be easy to pose? Oh, as I take out my things. Oh, I am so excited about this. All right, so I took the plastic off. And it looks like, okay, it goes like this. Oh, it's got flexible arms. Oh, man. If you're a reader or crocheter, you like to do anything, like sewing, whatever, and you just need a little extra light, especially you're working like with black yarn, I could totally get behind this. Oh, man, I'll have to try it out later when it's dark and check that out. But yeah. Oh, it's even got various brightness. Low, medium, high. And it's flexible. It seems to be long enough. I can pose it however I want. Oh my gosh, that is so cool. And it's rechargeable. It's even got, oh, a little Merry Christmas tag. And it came with a charger. Oh man, I'm going to get a lot of use out of this. I love sitting on my porch and crocheting, but like the lighting isn't great out there, you know, like if it's evening. Oh, that's going to be so nice. Got a little bit of instructions here. Oh, a Christmas tag. He wrote me a nice little note. I don't know if I should read that out loud. That was just sweet. I'll just flash it. If you read it, you read it. Ready? Boop. Okay. That was so sweet. I love that he even left me a sweet little note in it. I wasn't expecting that. I don't know if I should read it out loud or not. So, well, you're not going to hear that one. But I'll ask him for future reference if I'm supposed to read them out loud or not. Oh, this was such a great one. Ooh, I might have to take a little video of myself trying it out tonight and maybe put it in with this video. Man, this is something I've wanted for a while, and it's better than I expected. I thought it was going to be like hard and rigid, but no, it's so soft, flexible, posable. It holds whatever position you put it in. Oh yeah, I'm like, yeah. I'm sold, in love. This is something I definitely saying you should probably, if you do as much crafting, crocheting, reading as I do, you need this. Oh, I'm so pleased. Anyways, so that is gonna wrap it up for day 1. I'll definitely try to put a little video in here to show how well it works. Maybe I'll do a little crocheting out on the porch tonight. Hey guys, I'm on my porch. I did not turn my porch light on. And there's like, let me turn it around real quick. There's a little bit of street light, but that's about it. Not real impressive. So just no lights on my porch. I thought I'd just give it a go. Now I'm just gonna turn one of them on low. This thing is pretty bright. That's on medium, I guess you'd say. This is on highlight, which really honestly, I've got a project here. I'll have to show you from my perspective what it looks like. But I mean, I can see my stitches nicely. I mean, this is with high on. Even with just one side on high, this thing is going to be amazing. I just wanted you to see actually how bright it is when I have it totally on. All right, I'm gonna bring you around and you can see from my perspective. All right, this is what it looks like from my perspective. I mean, I can see my stitches perfectly. This is with both of the flashlights on high. This thing is pretty amazing. I'm very impressed with it. So I just thought I'd give you a quick clip and share with you how it came out. Yes, definitely recommend this. I'll have to get the link from my husband. Maybe I can drop it into the, I'll have to get the link from my husband maybe and drop it in the description in case you're interested. I have no affiliate link. It would just be a link to be like, hey, this is the one I got. It works great for me, and I would recommend it. I don't gain anything from that. All right, now to the end of the video. How cool is that? Well, thank you so much for tuning in. I can't wait to share more Stitchmas with you. We're off to a crazy good start. I'm so excited. I will talk to you more tomorrow when we do day 2 of season 2. Until tomorrow, take care.